Nokia is a legendary and iconic smartphone brand that has stood the test of time. If you're looking for a powerful Nokia smartphone in the mid-budget range, one that packs a 300-megapixel DSLR level camera, and the most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, then your wish is about to come true. That's right, Nokia is gearing up to launch its most anticipated smartphone yet, the Nokia Lumia 505G. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the full leaked specs, price, and launch date of this absolute beast of a phone. So let's start. Features of Nokia Lumia 505G. Display. This stunning Nokia smartphone is set to feature a massive 6.85-inch dynamic AMOLED display, with 2K resolution. And that's not all, you also get a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a blazing fast 390 Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth gaming and scrolling. Plus, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, so durability won't be an issue. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the real showstopper, the camera system. The Lumia 505G comes with a triple camera setup, headlined by a mind-blowing 300-megapixel primary sensor. And it doesn't stop there, you also get a 100-megapixel and a 50-megapixel sensor. For selfie lovers, Nokia is packing a 50-megapixel front-facing camera that's ready to capture every detail. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the absolute best in mobile performance right now. And for software, you're looking at Android 16 OS, ensuring a smooth and future-proof experience. Battery and charging. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Lumia 505G packs a massive 9000mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. And with 125-watt super-fast charging, via USB Type-C, you'll be back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will it cost? The expected price is around $699, which is insane for these specs. And speaking of launch, mark your calendars. The Nokia Lumia 505G is expected to drop in December.